Welcome to Digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about
why does my embroidery machine keep breaking the thread? Embroidery is a meticulous art that relies on precision and harmony between the machine, thread, and fabric. When threads keep breaking, it not only disrupts your workflow, but can also lead to frustration and loss of valuable time. Understanding why your embroidery machine keeps breaking the thread is crucial to maintaining efficiency and achieving high-quality results. This issue is often caused by a combination of factors related to the machine, thread, needle, or fabric, and addressing them ensures smooth operations and professional quality embroidery. Thread, quality, and compatibility. One of the most common culprits behind thread breakage is poor thread quality. Low-quality threads are prone to fraying, tangling, or snapping during high-speed embroidery processes. Similarly, using the wrong type of thread for your specific machine or project can lead to compatibility issues. For example, embroidery machines designed for polyester threads may struggle with cotton or metallic threads. Always use high-quality threads and ensure they are appropriate for the fabric and machine. 2. Incorrect tension settings. Thread tension plays a critical role in embroidery. If the tension is too tight, it can cause the thread to snap. Conversely, if it is too loose, the stitches may not form correctly, leading to uneven designs. Regularly check and adjust the upper and bobbin thread tensions according to your machine's guidelines and the thread being used. 3. Needle problems. The condition and type of needle you're using also impact thread breakage. A dull, bent, or damaged needle can snag the thread, causing it to break. Additionally, using the wrong needle size or type for your fabric and thread can lead to increased friction and tension, resulting in frequent thread snaps. Replace needles regularly and ensure they match the requirements of your project. 4. Machine maintenance and cleanliness. A well-maintained embroidery machine is essential for optimal performance. Dust, lint, or thread remnants in the tension discs, bobbin case, or other moving parts can interfere with the smooth movement of the thread, leading to breakage. Regularly clean and lubricate your machine as recommended by the manufacturer to keep it in top condition. 5. Thread path and bobbin issues. Thread breakage can occur if the thread is not properly threaded through the machine. Incorrect. Threading or skipping a guide can increase tension and cause snapping. Similarly, improperly wound or low-quality bobbins can create uneven tension and thread breakage. Double-check the thread path and use bobbins recommended for your machine. 6. Fabric and stabilizer considerations. The fabric and stabilizer you choose also influence thread performance. Dense or coarse fabrics can create resistance, while inadequate stabilizers fail to support the embroidery, causing the thread to break under pressure. Ensure that the fabric and stabilizer combination is appropriate for your design and thread. 7. Thread break sensors and settings. Some modern embroidery machines are equipped with thread break sensors. If these sensors are malfunctioning or improperly calibrated, they may cause unnecessary interruptions. Check your machine settings and ensure the sensors are working correctly to avoid false thread break warnings. Conclusion. Understanding and addressing the reasons behind frequent thread breakage is key to achieving flawless embroidery. By focusing on the quality of thread, proper machine settings, and regular maintenance, you can minimize disruptions and enjoy a seamless embroidery experience. Investing time in troubleshooting these issues will save you frustration and ensure your embroidery projects are both efficient and high quality.
If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision and excellence. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.